for TikTok shop or let's dive in and see exactly what I purchased. So first of all, guys, I got myself this iPhone 12 Pro case, and I love my iPhone 12, so I have to get a new case for it. The case that I had wasn't so good, so I needed to get a new one. So I found this amazing case from the TikTok shop. This case is so strong. Look at the inside. It comes in so many different colors. I went for this gold. So this is the iPhone 12 Pro. Put my hands on this amazing nail hardener. Oh my god, guys, my nails don't grow whatsoever. Whatever I do, they grow to a certain extent and they start chipping, they start breaking. So this is it. I've currently got it on at the moment. So I was looking for something like to harden them, to make them grow. So I saw this nail hardener from the TikTok shop and I had to get one. So it's a Get Strong, that's what it's called. I got these gloves, these self-heated gloves for, you know what, it's cold outside, guys, so anything would do. So this is one size. So I got these gloves and they are so amazing, even though they're a little bit big for me, but you know what, I don't care, anything will do. And this, I'll be able to use it to touch my phone and, you know, to operate my phone as well. But yeah, these are so good. I got these 6 pair of socks as well, and these are really nice. I love the details, that bold details there, and it comes in 6 different colors, as you can see. I love these are so comfortable, and these are Varo socks, and I'm so glad to get them. They're really good stretch. So this is it, very good stretch. The quality and the durable is very good. Also got this amazing beautiful headband. You know, when you just want to go out and go for a walk and you don't want your hair flying everywhere, you can just slip it onto your hair. I got how many colors? I got 4, and different patterns are so nice, and they have a very good stretch, so it's a very stretchable one. And you know, I've been wanting to get this for a very long time. This is how it is. It's really nice. It's definitely a must have. This is it. This is really cute. I also got this nice beautiful bangle. This bangle, I've been eyeing it for a very long time. It's a stainless steel bangle. This is it. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. I love the design. Look at the design of it. This is a chain I've got. I love this chain. This chain is so beautiful. It's a stainless steel chain. This is it. It's really nice and quality. I literally don't have no chain on, and this is gonna be so amazing. This is gonna be the one I'm gonna be wearing for a long time. It's got this beautiful, like a diamante design, as you can see. It's really nice. I'm so much in love with these 18 pieces hairband. Honestly, guys, this is so amazing. This is definitely a very good quality, very soft material, and has got a very good stretch as well. This would be amazing to share among all your friends and your family members. I'm also gonna tag this. Super excited for these 7 pairs of undies, guys. They're so beautiful. They're lace. The quality of these is really nice. This is it. Oh my god, I love them. It comes in 7 pairs and different colors. It's definitely a good stretch. It has a good stretch. I'm highly gonna recommend it. Make sure you go and get yours. I'm super excited. I also got this makeup bag. This bag is actually amazing. This is a cosmetic bag. This is makeup bag. Can be used for everything. This is how it is. So many compartments inside. I've been wanting to get something like this because I'll be traveling soon, and I was looking for something that I can put all my cosmetics, all my makeup and my brushes and everything else inside, and this is it. This is exactly what was needed. It's got all the compartment and stuff like that for brushes and co. But yeah, so it comes in so many different colors. I went for this khaki color, and I got myself another 10 pairs of multicolors undies. Oh, this is so beautiful, guys. Look at all the colors. Look at them. And it has a very good stretch. This is it. I love the patterns. I love the colors. It's so vibrant. It's definitely a must-have. I'm going to tag them in the yellow shoe basket. And I got this thing for my cupboard. One of my cupboards at home is broken, and I got this to actually fix it myself. I'm also going to tag it. If you guys would like any of the things that I've shown you guys, make sure you click on the yellow shoe basket and check it out from the TikTok shop. They're all discounted and they're all affordable, good quality. Make sure you grab yours now from the TikTok shop.